Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about the Master Old School / Black Gospel Piano Style is an online course that teaches you to play gospel piano in the old school style. The course is taught by pianist and composer Quinnzhahn Barnes, who has over 20 years of experience in gospel music. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do. What is it? The Master Old School / Style Black Gospel Piano is an online course taught by Quinnzhahn Barnes, a pianist and music educator with over 20 years of experience. The course is aimed at musicians of all levels, from beginners to advanced. The course covers the fundamentals of gospel piano, including keyboard, scales, arpeggios, chords, fingerings, and other basic concepts of music theory. Style, techniques and resources to play in gospel style, such as the use of voicings, harmonies and improvisation. Repertoire, classic and modern gospel songs, including songs by artists like Mahalia Jackson, Aretha Franklin and Kirk. The course is divided into modules, each with a specific theme. The modules are presented in videos, which can be accessed anytime and anywhere. The course also includes exercises and activities to help students practice and consolidate the content learned. Benefits. Course resources include videos, high-quality videos that teach the basics of gospel piano. Exercises and activities to help students practice and consolidate the content learned. Songs, classic and modern gospel songs for students to play and improvise. Advantages of using the Master Old School / Black Gospel Piano Style course include: learn to play piano in gospel style. The course teaches the basics of gospel piano, including scales, arpeggios, chords, fingerings, techniques and resources for playing gospel style. Learn from an expert. The course is taught by Quinnzhahn Barnes, a pianist and music educator with over 20 years of experience. Access the course anytime and anywhere. The course is online and can be accessed anytime and anywhere. Conclusion. If you are a musician and have always dreamed of learning to play the piano in gospel style, Master Old School is the perfect course for you. With teaching from an experienced specialist, you'll learn the fundamentals of gospel piano, including scales, arpeggios, chords, fingerings, techniques, and resources for playing gospel style. The course is divided into modules, each with a specific theme, so you can learn at your own pace. The high-quality videos are clear and easy to follow, and the exercises and activities help you practice and consolidate the content learned. In addition, you will have access to an online community of students and teachers to share ideas and get feedback. If you're ready to learn how to play gospel piano, sign up for Master Old School today.